Okay, well, last night our Pro 8A came in, and we're very excited about this. This is the pack. We're going to be using two of these packs in the interactive shoot. And the reason that we're going to be using these is there's some challenges that I'm trying to overcome. I'm going to be shooting some personal work over the next couple weeks. A lot of that I'm going to be shooting very, very quickly. So I need some very, very fast refresh rates, and I need to have my flash durations super short. So, a lot of times I'll shoot with an acute pack, but the flash durations and the power output of this guy is just not anywhere close to what this is. So the Pro 8 was the choice, not only for the flash duration and the recycle time, but another thing that I really like about this pack, I've never used it. In fact, I haven't even turned this on. It's right out of the box. I just got it. Normally when we're shooting, we're triggering our flashes using a Pocket Wizard system, and that way, the Pro Photo systems have Pocket Wizards. A lot of them Pocket Wizards built right in. This guy has something brand new though. It's and they sent us. I think this is it. I haven't even opened it out of the box. This is the Air remote unit, and so this little guy right here, what it'll allow me to do is control this pack from my camera. And so this guy just slips right on the hot shoe of your camera, something like that. And then it has a little dashboard here. And so I can control everything from the pack right from my camera. And for me, that's really nice. And this is one of the big things I wanted to check out, because a lot of times I'm either working by myself or with one assistant, and I tend to be running back and forth from the packs, changing power. Sometimes when I'm working with students or assistants that are brand new, which I do a lot, sometimes I need to have a change made very quickly, and so I normally will run to the pack and make the adjustment, whereas with this, I can control everything right from my camera. And I'm a control freak, and so this is a huge, huge difference over the Pro 7 for the Pro 8. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how that works. I'm going to be trying that today. One of the things that I'm trying to figure out is how we trigger this from my Seikonic meter, because Seikonic uses Pocket Wizards. And so since this doesn't have a Pocket Wizard, I have a little backup. If we need to, what I can do is I can just use a little cable, plug this into the sync cord, plug this into a receiver, and then I can trigger this from a Pocket Wizard if I need to. So we'll be figuring all that kind of stuff out today. A couple days ago, we did some tests in the studio to sort of simulate some of the junk that we're going to be having blowing around at the big shoot on February 19th is when our interactive shoot is. So Aaron, our wardrobe designer, came in. We had a model, Gwen Lindvig, who came in, and we had fans and blowers, and we were just blowing stuff around, trying to see what kind of flash duration we need and how fast we wanted to be shooting. So that went okay. After that, we reviewed some of the pictures to see what worked and what didn't, and what materials worked, what kind of elements we wanted to have in the shoot. And we really discovered a lot. So we're going to come back tomorrow and try again. But tomorrow's test we'll be using the Pro 8 instead of the acute. And so we should see what the true results will be. But the first test really showed us what kind of materials we want to be using, what kind of dresses and things like that. So anyway, that's the update on the interactive shoot. We're going to be continuing to post behind the scenes stuff. And tomorrow we'll be videotaping some of the testing that we're doing with this guy. And so we're going to be shooting with the Pro 8, not just on February 19th, but several shoots. So I'm going to have this for a few weeks, and I have a bunch of shoots that I've lined up. And so as much as possible, if the clients will allow us, I'm going to be showing you the results that I get out of this pack. So if you're considering renting one or purchasing one, you have the ability to do that as well. All right, so stay tuned, and we'll keep posting updates as we go along.